Someone buys a PS5 on eBay and ends up getting a printed picture of it in the mail instead? Well, for this guy, it happened backwards. He bid on a fractal design defined 7XL PC case for about $32. But when it showed up at his house, he realized it wasn't just a case. Inside was a fully built workstation, and not a weak one either. We're talking a 3080 Ti Founders Edition, a Threadripper 3960X, and 256 gigs of RAM. Yeah, it was caked in dust. But still, turns out the machine came from Puget Systems, and allegedly a Puget employee even chimed in online saying this thing was probably 3 to 4 years old, and even better, that PC was worth $8,000 brand new. So